To fix an electrical wall outlet that's not working, it's essential to identify the cause of the issue. The outlet may not be functioning due to a tripped GFCI breaker, loose or faulty wiring, or wear and tear. To resolve the problem, start by checking the GFCI breaker outlet. If it has tripped, simply push the small rectangular button at the center of the outlet to reconnect to power. Then, plug in your appliances to see if this solves the issue. If the problem persists, it may be due to loose or faulty wiring. Ensure the power breaker is turned off. Then remove the faceplate from the outlet and loosen the outlet screws. Pull out the outlet a few inches and examine the wire attachment to the outlet. The wires should be securely fastened beneath the outlet screws. If they are loose, reattach the wires and fasten them beneath the corresponding screws. However, if the outlet wires are damaged, they will need to be replaced. In some cases, the outlet may not be working due to wear and tear. To inspect the outlet contacts, access them and check for any signs of wear. If the contacts are worn, it's necessary to replace the outlet, as overused contacts can increase power flow resistance and eventually blow out fuses. By following these steps, you should be able to fix an electrical outlet that's not working and get your appliances up and running again.